everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1959 Chevrolet Apache 3100 pickup, guys. Gorgeous truck, man. I love this truck. It's finished in a real pretty, it's a root beer brown metallic. It's got all LMC two-tone Signature Series interior in it. And man, just a super cool truck. I bought this truck locally from a guy, great guy, 82 years old. He's the one that built this truck. There's less than 2,000 miles on this truck since he got it done. He bought it as a complete basket case, completely disassembled. Truck's only supposed to have like 49,000 original miles on it. I guess it sat all disassembled for over 30 years. But just wicked cool truck, man. It's got a Mustang II front suspension, 350 crate motor. Just a killer truck. Great guy. I just love the truck. It's different. You don't see a lot of these trucks. They're pretty hard to get your hands on. And then, of course, I got it here, and I spent a ton of money on it, which is what I tell people not to do. But I just like the truck, man. Most of this is new. Most of, like, the bezels, the grill, the bumpers are new. This piece is an original piece to the truck. It's all steel. Truck's just got a killer look to it. Pretty paint, not a whole lot you can really nitpick in the paint. Some of the jams are a little dry, but and this is also an original piece to the truck. I put the new wheels and tires on it. Those are brand new ZR rated Kuhmo rubber all the way around it. He put brand new glass. The rear glass is the only glass that's original to the truck. All your side glass, mirrors are new. The door handles are original to the truck. All new wiring harness. He added a third brake light. You can see there's little scratches in that rear glass. That's original glass to the truck. Brand new oak bed. He relocated the fuel tank to the center of the bed. Like I say, I put the wheels and tires on it. Those are brand new 20-inch American Racing salt flat wheels. Brand new rubber all the way around it. Really just a cool truck, guys. Again, all steel. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. I mean, it really hits the road nice. Got a nice little rake to the stance. Again, front and rear bumpers are new. Truck's cool, man. Super cool truck. I love this body style. You just do not see a lot of these trucks. They are not easy to come by. And of course, the truck market's got so hot that it's just tough to come by them at all. And I'll tell you, we've probably put 50 miles on this truck. This is a good truck, guys. Hits the road good. Again, it's a Mustang II independent front suspension on it with tubular upper and lower control arms. It's got coil-over shocks. It's got power rack and pinion steering. This is a Mr. Goodwrench GM crate engine. He put a Edelbrock 4-barrel, and he's got a Weiand Street Warrior aluminum intake on it. Ceramic headers. It's a 5.7 Vortec motor, aluminum water pump. Again, power rack and pinion steering, power front disc brakes. It's got a 400 turbohydramatic trans in it. You can see it's all the new stuff down there. Aluminum radiator. It's got a shroud, which is nice. Nice truck. I think it said 400 turbo trans. Yeah, I dig this truck. Really like it. did not hook up the windshield wipers. They were vacuumed from the factory. New mirrors, they work too. That's a nice thing. Those mirrors are very usable. And then I did this, guys. This is all, I didn't like the interior. I thought it was soft looking in it. A good buddy of mine, Scott's the one who told me that, man, you got to put a brand new, you can put a brand new interior for that truck. It cost me about $3,500, but there it is. This is, show you the jams here. This is LMC's, this is made by TMI for them. It's LMC Signature Series, all two-tone, very comfortable. If you take this thing on a trip, you will love this seat. All new carpet. I ordered the mats for it. It's got a Ididit polished tilt column in it with a billet steering wheel. All the gauges have all been gone through. That's a factory gauge cluster. Yeah, 45,000 is supposed to be the original miles on this truck. I put the radio in it. It's a Audiosounds AM/FM radio. I think it's got Bluetooth. There's all the paperwork, which I'll show you here when I get to the other side. Dual exhaust. It's a GM 10-bolt 355 rear end. Again, brand new oak bed. Truck is, now you gotta put that back up. Yeah, you gotta have those rubber pieces on those chains. I learned that the hard way. I bought a truck in Tennessee one time, hauled it back home. By the time I got it back home, the chains had rubbed the paint on it. Yeah, truck's nice underneath. I got some pictures. I got pictures of this truck torn apart. I try to post some of those, and then he's got hard copies in here of it. The warranty card and everything is in the, I think it's called the warranty card, they call it, but all the paperwork for the crate engine's in here. He completed it in 2018, 2019, around there. Like I say, love this seat. Very comfortable. Probably the most comfortable seat I've ever had in one of these. Again, you can see there's a crate engine. There's your independent front suspension. Yeah, you can see him putting the engine and everything in it. Then, like I say, there's pictures of the truck torn apart, getting painted. Then there's a bunch of stuff in here as well. Your paperwork. It's got American wiring harness in it. Just make sure that stuff don't blow out the window, Jordy.
Out the window?
That paperwork, when you're driving it, yeah, just kind of put it in there, yeah. Again, glass is nice. This is all new glass. Truck runs and drives excellent. Just hits the road great. I love that front end on those trucks, man. It just looks good. Gauges all work. Fuel gauge up there working. Oil pressure gauge, you can see it's holding good oil pressure. The only thing like I said, I don't think that works is he did not. These were vacuum wipers. He didn't hook those back up. Brand new turbo exhaust. Radio's brand new. You just gotta, there you go. It's got the one speaker in it. That's all they had. Doors open and close nice. Again, no wipers on it. I love those dual headlights. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is to our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Truck's got a great little rake to it. I just think that's a killer body style, man. Again, all steel. Yeah, I like that truck right there. And then when you get it and drive it, it just goes down the road. It's just a great truck. See a little third brake light up there working? Have a great day, guys.